Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use any emote or action in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's quest, I need to use any emote or action. And if you want to use emote or action, we can click on this emoji icon. And here you can choose the emote that you want. I'm going to use this one, and you can go to the solo action to make a movement. Okay, clapping movement. Okay, just like this guys. And yeah, I've already completed the quest. That's super easy. Just go to the emotes and also solo action to make a movement and to add emote. Okay guys, and that's how we can use any emote or action in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.